In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Now we are going to start Afaq English 7 Unit 4. William Wordsworth, Poet of Nature, explained by Zulfikar Ali Chaudhary. Please subscribe and share. Page 2. Nature was the source of all joy for Wordsworth. Nature for him was a living personality, just like a teacher, a guardian, and a nurse. عزیز بچوں، جب تک کسی کام کے کرنے یا کسی تحریر کے پڑھنے کا مقصد یا اہمیت ذہن میں نہ ہو تو اس کے صحیح ثمرات حاصل نہیں ہو پاتے۔ تحریر کے ساتھ باہمی تعامل، جس کو ذیل میں انٹریکٹ ود ٹیکسٹ کہا گیا ہے، یہ بالکل اسی طرح ہے جس طرح آپ دوست سے بے تکلفی سے بات کر کے اس کی مزاج شناسی، نظریات، ارادے اور عمل کا رخ جان جاتے ہیں۔ اسی طرح مقاصد پڑھنے سے اس تحریر کا پیغام جاننے کے علاوہ گرامر، تلفظ اور لینگویج کا اتار چڑھاؤ جاننے سے ہماری دلچسپی میں اضافہ ہو جاتا ہے اور موضوع تحریر سمجھ کر ہم اپنی عملی زندگی کا رخ متعین کر سکتے ہیں۔ آئیے سب سے پہلے ہم اس کے کچھ مشکل الفاظ اور اصطلاحات کے معنی و مفہوم کو جان کر ذہن نشین کر لیں۔ Page 3. Chronological. Chronological means arranged in order of occurrence. Biography, an account of a person's life by an other. Minimal pairs. Minimal pairs are two words distinguished by only one phoneme. The phoneme is a unit of sound in speech. For example, the words thumb and dumb are separated only by one phoneme. It is th or D. Phonemes are the units of sound. If the word is pronounced wrongly, the listener will interpret it differently, regardless of your intentions. Problems that students of different countries face are shown in the table below. This page, we will see the difficulties faced by the speakers of different nationalities in pronouncing the English words. At first column, there is a nationality. At second column, there is a sound of phonemes. At third column, there is example in English language. At fourth column, the sound produced by different nationals. Number one, French. The original sound is tha. Example, theater. but they produce the sound as theater. Number two, Japanese. The phoneme is l. Its example is trolley, but they produce the sound as tori. Number three, Greek. The phoneme is sh. Its example is shopping, but the Greek produce the sound as shopping. Number four, German. The phoneme is wow. Its example is wagon, but they produce the sound as wagon. Dear students, at next page, we will see the plural of foreign words taken into the English language. Their singulars are given, their plural are given, and sound produced by Cambridge Dictionary is also inserted there. Please listen to them carefully.
Analysis.
Analyses.
Basis.
Bases.
Crisis.
Crises.
Parenthesis.
Parentheses.
Criterion.
Criteria.
Stratum.
Strata.
Page 7. Modal verbs. Modal verb is a type of verb that is used to indicate modality, also called modal auxiliaries. They are special verbs which behave irregularly in English. They give additional information about the function of the main verb that follows it. There are 10 types of modal verbs: can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, would, ought to. Page 8. Here we will discuss about connectors. Speak fluent English thanks to conversational connectors. It does mean that due to these connectors we can speak English fluently. Connectors enable us to connect words or phrases. There are a wide range of connectors, and each of them has a different function. We use them as mentioned against each function. Number 1, for addition we use and, further, moreover, as well as. Number 2, time. To express time we use when, while, as soon as. For sequence we use then, after, afterwards, next, firstly, secondly, finally. For contrast we use but, however, though, although, despite, whereas, etc. For condition, as long as, provided that, unless, otherwise. Number 6, reason. Because, as, due to, so that, in order to. For result, we use so, Therefore, as a result, consequently, for translation, V2 follows.